Now, difference between wood charcoal and animal charcoal. Wood charcoal. Wood charcoal is formed when wood is subjected to strong heat under absent of air via destructive distillation process. But animal charcoal is also known as bone charcoal as it can be purified from destructive distillation of bone, that is the animal bone. Okay. Next point, that is the wood charcoal is mainly composed of carbon, that is 80%. Hence, consider it as pure carbon. Okay. But animal charcoal is rich in phosphorus content rather than carbon, and it used in manufacture of phosphorus compound. Okay. Thank you, my dear.